How's it going, everybody? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, September 1998. We're getting into the 90s looking cars, and man, at the beginning of the 90s, they had a lot of really fishish looking vehicles, very European looking models. Here we have an advertisement for the Aerostar. I expect to see cigarette advertisements next. No, air filters. Okay. All right. That's how your lungs look when you've been smoking, though. The new wave watercraft. Man, it's hard to show off boobs when you're in a life jacket, but it saves lives. Marlboro Lights. Oh, I get a kick out of this advertisement every time I see it. That poor dog. That kid. That poor dog. And what we're doing here is we take a look back, like check it out, Popular Mechanics Magazine, Retro Futures, and we got a fan on the front of that canoe. And that is lovely, wonderful stuff. Gyro Fever. Practical remodeling. Toyota quality. Look, he's fluff. He's good. I'm just kidding. It's not that advertisement. Oh, Reliance. I wonder if that's the same Reliance that came from India. That's the Indian Reliance. There's a big thing in India. There's a Reliance guy, a Reliance empire that broke up into two, and one of them went for gas heating, and the other one went for technology and communication. The technology and communication crashed, and man, I really think that that Reliance is using is from India. Robot armored vehicles to navigate with lasers. Geez, we use more than lasers now. We use lasers, sonars, and lions and tigers and bears, GPS. Oh my. Modeling computers designed with lasers. I've literally seen those kinds of guns. They're more advanced now. Very 3D, very interesting. That's right, folks. Get these new halogen lamps, and you'll be able to blind kids from a much further direction. Well, that's an interesting image. CompuServe. Welcome to CompuServe, largest computer information service in the universe. ITS. As far as we know. It's interesting, through advertisement and promotion, you have different cigarettes for different types of people, and Camels was trying to be all like, you know what, you're normal, you're not going for anything, you smoke Camels. I really get the feeling like Camels were the the good generic cigarette of the States. Drano, strong on clogs, safe on pipes, not good for the digestive system. Oh yeah, you know it's the 80s because we got that grid pattern again, my guys. I think that this is the first advertisement I've seen so far for one of these. The Weed Eater. I love the technology that goes on within the submarines. It's super. I wish my computer room could look like this. Oh yeah, we got an angel in the centerfold. One more. Na 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 na. Does she walk? Does she talk? Does she come for free? My homeroom angel has to send this spell on me. I can't deny it. Oh yeah, guess I gotta buy it. It still looks like a European fish though. Oh geez, homework. This looks painful. No, thank you. New watercraft. I like it how they get this, the jet ski as new watercraft. I guess it really was a 90s thing though, wasn't it? Yeah, the Bombardier, Sea-Doo, the Phase 2, and some beautiful women. I tell you, hot pink just shows up so nice. This Tomcat thing didn't seem to last too long. I don't see a whole lot of them in the market or anything. Rain soft water, part of Miss America's winning combination for health. And a lovely ad for Dodge Dakota. I can't get over the size of that guy compared to the size of that car. Is that guy actually driving that car? I'm pretty sure it was a guy from Hawaii that got rich and he ordered in a real nice sports car, and then he found out he couldn't fit in it. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will you?